Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can format your videos in CapCut. So I already have this video and I want to change its format. So basically what you need to do is just slide on this toolbar at the bottom and find format. And then you can see there are so many like format video that you can choose from CapCut. 9 by 16, 16 by 9, 1 by 1 or square, and there are also other options. So let's say that I want to change it into this 9 by 16. So this is the format for TikTok video or Instagram, and then you can see now there are like a black background around it. And if you want to change the background, you just need to click on the canvas, and here there are three options. You can change the color into whichever color you like, or you can also change the background. You can see there are so many background picture that you can choose from CapCut. Okay, you can choose bit in here, or you can also choose one from your own gallery, or you can also just add some blur background like this. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, click on the thanks below, and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.